It wasn't my favourite. My favourite, hair of the dog. That is a pint of gin and tonic for breakfast, okay? Yeah. I love the mixed response here. You can hear the Scottish people going, aye. It's tough, man. It's tough, that first drink, especially when it's the morning. You have that sitting. You have another. Oh, Jesus. It's 9:30 a.m. and I'm pissed again. Fuck Tuesday, alright? Great feeling. Great feeling. Gonna take some facts, right, about the phrase hair of the dog, right? Did you know the phrase hair of the dog actually originates from Scotland, right? Yes, it sounded about 100 people not being even fucking slightly surprised by that. It's true, right? A couple hundred years ago, little boy went to a doctor, been bitten by a dog. He went, Doctor, I've been bitten by this dog. I'm worried the dog might have rabies. I don't want to get rabies. What should I do? Doctor said, go get that dog, get some hair from that dog, insert the hair into the wound where the dog bit you. That'll cure you of any potential rabies. Now, Edinburgh, I'm going to level with you. This might shock you. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I'm not even a particularly well-educated man. But I'm pretty sure that taking a bit of the shit that made you so fucked up in the first place and going hell for leather on it, that's not sound medical advice, okay? That's why you've never heard this exchange. Doctor, I've got 3rd-degree burns. Have you tried running into fire? This is going to make things worse, you know? Doctor, I've got chlamydia. Have you tried a weekend in Dundee? It's just going to exacerbate the problem. Doctor, all my friends think I'm turning into a total cunt. Have you tried going vegan? So anyway. Poor vegans. Fun fact, normally instead of Dundee, I say Aberdeen, but I shat it in the last minute. I love to be honest with my audience, you know. I love to be honest with you guys.
Ta-da!